with, of course, the very latest technology and, more importantly, in a nice, warm, cosy studio.
Absolutely. I'm living a charm life, Ben, absolutely. But with increased technology now with our super-duper computers, which can pretty give an accurate forecast even many days out, we still have some disparages with these computer models, particularly when it comes to snow. And that's what we've got next week. So a bit of a question mark on that, and I will touch on that at the end of this bulletin. Good afternoon to you. It's another cold day today with a lot of more cloud around than what we've had the last few days. Best of the sunshine will tend to be towards more northern and western areas. Into next week, we continue with a snowy theme across northern areas, further snow showers here, but we need to keep an eye on this system moving in off the Atlantic, which could push into southern England to bring us a spell of widespread snow. The moment it looks like it could be more across France, but you have to stay tuned to the forecast. It stays cold, further snow showers in the north, but watch out for the risk of the snow in the south.
Good afternoon. Another cold day today. Bright start though, loads of sunshine around first thing this morning, but since then the cloud has been increasing. It's turning greyer through the afternoon. Still icy conditions in some spots. This is in St Albans a little earlier.
Hello there, good evening. A lovely bright start this morning, but a cold one as well. We got down to -4 degrees almost at Kenley Airfield. But yes, cloud thickened through the course of today. More cloud for tonight, for tomorrow as well. Less cold tonight, staying frost free. In general, a chilly look to things. Tomorrow temperatures a little bit higher than today, though I think still feeling chilly, especially under that cloud. But then values tend to fall away further actually through the weekend and into the beginning of next week. Temperatures just creeping that little bit higher than today's values. But that is a theme that doesn't continue, because as we push through the weekend and into the beginning of next week, temperatures are tending to fall away. I think some sunny spells at times through the weekend, I suspect, will be chasing cloud amounts around a little bit. And with that drop in temperatures, we do also see a return to frost by night. Have a very good evening. Bye-bye.
How much it has changed, all this whiz-bang technology you've got nowadays.
Oh, for sure, yes. Hopefully a bit more accurate as well, but we'll see. No pressure then. Today, well, we've seen a lot of cloud running in across Scotland and also into parts of eastern England. Again, a bit of drizzle from this around some of our North Sea coast.
And we can see from the picture behind you, bright day, but still really cold.
Yeah, it was a lovely start, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Lots of sunshine out and about. And this was one of the other stories we've been covering, of course. This is the Thames in the Hampton area, running pretty high, as you can see. Of course, flooding has been a concern, but after this lovely sunny start in the afternoon, well, it didn't look quite so much like that, did it? As a sheet of cloud invaded across the sky. The sunshine or the cloud didn't make much difference to the temperature. It felt cold throughout, really.
Hello there. It has been a cold day again up and down the UK. Mostly dry, though, thanks to the high pressure. And that area of high pressure will be with us again for Friday to bring another cold and dry day with variable amounts of cloud, a little bit of sunshine.
And there is potential out for it to get even colder next week.
Absolutely, yeah. All eyes on the forecast in the coming days. There is a potential for perhaps a significant snow event to develop as we head into next week. But it's still all to play for. Keep a watchful eye on the forecast. However, for the time being, it stays relatively quiet. We've got high pressure in control. It has been quite bright and sunny over the last few days, but as you can see on the satellite picture from a little earlier today, the cloud cover has been increasing and also coming much further south. So a bright start across the southeast this morning, but that got wiped out by the cloud cover, which you can very much see here. But let's get a quick check actually on conditions earlier today, and we're going to start off in Bideford in North Devon. As you can see here, actually it's been quite a nice day. In fact, this is where the best of the sunshine would have been, but certainly quite a cold feeling day with those temperatures still in single figures, but perhaps a slightly lighter breeze taking the edge off the feel. As for London, well, as I say, it started off on the bright side, but that cloud cover certainly increased during the afternoon, and we still got that fairly nagging northeasterly breeze, which has made it feel that bit colder. Cold enough for a nice pair of earmuffs, as you can see there. On the coast, though, probably not a great day for the beach, particularly with that coastal breeze, but all the same, it was dry here. In the coming days, as I say, there will be some changes developing. As I say, the potential for some snow next week. Well, as we head through the next few days, as I say, there will be some changes coming, turning colder at the end of this week, creeping into the weekend with a cold front coming southwards. But as I say, it stays largely dry over the next few days, but there is a possibility of any precipitation as we head into Sunday and also next week, certainly turning to snow. The snow initially will be across parts of Scotland, I suspect. But as I say, keep a watchful on the forecast. We'll keep you updated over the next few days. But here's how it's all going to happen. We're going to get this blast of cold Arctic air air coming down across much of the country. That's going to really pull those temperatures down. And as this warmer air comes up from the southwest, it's going to be fairly moist coming in off the Atlantic, as you'd expect. And that could also turn to snow on its leading edge, perhaps producing a significant snow event as we head into the middle of next week. So, yeah, all to play for next week. If you've got a sledge,
No.
we'll unpack it. We'll get one.
I'll have to get one. Thanks, Alex.